Tonight on Future Flash, Google torches the old internet, Xpeng challenges Tesla with an AI supercar, and OnePlus turns your phone into a second brain. Plus, AI cities, copyright wars, and Saudi Arabia's global power play. Let's go. Google Search just got replaced. Across the US, AI mode powered by Gemini 2.5 is giving users full-blown answers, not links. It codes, it explains, it even summarizes PDFs. But here's the twist. Click-through rates are down 30%. Google's eating the internet it helped build. That's Google rewriting the web. But what if your car could think faster than you? In China, Xpeng has dropped jaws with an AI-powered luxury EV, 586 horsepower, suicide doors, and a voice-controlled cockpit that makes your Model S look dated. It's called the P7 Plus, and it's not just futuristic, it's real. Tesla may be watching closely. Phones are next, and OnePlus just gave yours a second brain. Meanwhile, OnePlus is turning your phone into a cognitive companion. New AI features, Plus Key and Plus Mind, organize your life, suggest actions, and remember context across apps. It's like Google Assistant got a UX facelift. And a memory. And behind the scenes, a global tech giant is splitting up to double down on AI. TCS just split its AI.Cloud unit into two. Why? Speed, scale, focus. With cloud and AI scaling independently, they're now run as separate businesses. This is the blueprint others may follow. Meanwhile, India's rewriting the rules to build the next AI capital. In Andhra Pradesh, lawmakers are pushing to legalize data cities, giving startups room to build beyond Delhi and Bangalore. The plan? Tax breaks, land use freedom, and a full digital backbone. A policy bombshell is next, from Meta's Nick Clegg. Meta's Nick Clegg says if the UK requires artists' consent for AI training, the entire AI sector could stall. His words? It would kill the industry. Critics say it's already exploiting creators. From corporate disruption to government acceleration, Singapore's got a new strategy. Singapore's home team just signed a generative AI contract with Microsoft and Mistral. The goal? Build secure, localized language models for crime prevention and emergency response. Over in the chip war, NVIDIA just made a quiet counterstrike. To sidestep US restrictions, NVIDIA is building a new low-cost AI chip for the Chinese market. It's smaller than the H2O, but just powerful enough to maintain market control. Launch next month. And where's the talent to run all this AI? One continent is falling behind fast. A new report finds 90% of African firms can't find the AI talent they need. 60% say AI is mission critical. It's a make-or-break moment, and training may be the only way out. Next up, a rare tech exec who isn't drinking the AI Kool-Aid. Stephen Rue, CEO of Optimus, says AI can streamline service, but strategy still needs humans. It's not a headline grabber, but it might be the most grounded quote of the week. Meanwhile, 30 nations just issued a stark AI risk warning. Led by Yoshua Bengio, this 70-page report outlines risks from general-purpose AI, from manipulation to unintended escalation. It's required reading before next month's Paris summit. And Saudi Arabia enters the global AI game in a big way. Saudi Arabia launches Humane, a state-backed AI company targeting health, language, and robotics. It's funded by the Public Investment Fund and aims to recruit global AI talent fast. Then, two stories you might have missed, but definitely shouldn't. At this year's InfoComm, AI stole the show. From auto-tracking PTZ cams to generative conference rooms, the AV world is going AI native. And we wrap with the biggest AI trends shaping the rest of 2025. Watch these three: multimodal models that see and speak, autonomous agents that don't wait for prompts, and compressed stacks that make it all faster. The future's already moving, so let's stay ahead of it. That's your download. Hit subscribe because next week's AI stories are already breaking, and you won't want to miss what's coming.